Hi friends, this is Suman Jain, and today I just wanted to discuss with you guys about how to make money online, or how one can make fast money online, or how one can make money online from home, sitting just at home. Okay, so there are various ways of where one can make money online, but again at the same time, if you need to provide little consistency, you need to provide little time in order to make money online from internet. Okay, so but if you think that you can make money online really very fast and quick, then yes, this video is not for you, because in this video I'm trying to show you how one can make money online with putting little efforts, definitely putting little efforts in various different ways. So today I want to discuss you about 7 different ways of making money online from computer, from internet, from the power of this internet. Just give me one moment, please. Okay, so this is what the PDF which I have prepared. Okay, and this PDF which I prepared on canva.com, and how to make these kind of presentations, these kind of PDF from Canva. So below with this description you will find a video where I've showed you how one can make these kind of pictures for your thumbnails, at the same time PDF presentations for your ebooks, which I'll be discussing later inside this video. And if you like this video and if you wanted to get more these kind of training videos, then subscribe to my channel. Below the video you would find there's a bell icon. You just need to subscribe to my channel. So here is the first method. The first method is leveraging the app economy. As you all guys know that today's economy is with various kinds of downloads, either from Android or from your iOS mobile phones, and we all are on in today's era. We can see that everyone are on smartphones, right? So one can definitely make a lot of money from the creating an app, different kinds of app. For an example, if you can have heard about Ola or Uber, right? They just came into this industry with a vision of providing free services with the taxi services. And we have iBoat and Ebates, where people come and buy certain products for some rewards. Inbox dollars, where again you have to do certain activities so that you get little money out of it, and even they get a lot of views and traffic to their website. Swapbacks is a kind of websites, or it's kind of apps where if someone is coming and downloading, and they can avail different kinds of coupons, different kind of rebates from the apps. So one can definitely leverage the app economy. One can create an app. Yes, of course, creating an app is not very difficult. You just need to create an app and upload it either into an Android or both for iOS and Android. So if many people, it depends upon how many people downloads your apps. If they download it, you make money from those particular downloads, right? So that is one kind of one way of making money online from home. Second one is using existing websites. This means that it is not important that you need to have your own websites, right? So you can have either Craigslist, you can put like a classified sites, okay, where you can list your information. Like for example, if you want to sell your furniture, then where do you go? You go and list into Craigslist that you want to sell your furniture or your household items, or if you are looking out some jobs, where do you go? You go and find to these kind of like Craigslist websites, where you can find different kinds of people coming in and putting what they require, both what they need and what they require, right? So you can go to the Craigslist and get help of it, and if you are providing some services, put the information onto Craigslist so that people can watch it and they can connect to you through Craigslist. Upwork and Fiverr, they work with a similar concepts. Upwork and Fiverr, where people are paying somewhere between $5 to $10 per gigs. Okay, with Fiverr it is definitely $5 to start off, and after that the charges goes on with particular different kinds of services which they provide. For example, I would provide you 1,000 views for $10, so something like that. Upwork also does something similar, where they work for you for certain hours sometimes. Okay, it also work on certain particular concept. For example, on Upwork, even you can list your own services which you provide, and many people can connect to you where you provide them the services which they are in need. Right, so that is one thing. The other one is Cafe Press and Canva. So Cafe Press is nothing but it is a digital press, printing press, and Canva.com is a website where for free we create these kind of pictures, like for YouTube thumbnails or for presentations, PDF ebooks which we can give away. So we provide these kind of services, and even with the Canva we have a paid version where we take a lot of services, and we can even design our own t-shirts. We can sell on our market. We can sell print our own mugs or something like that and sell it on the different markets, right? So the other products are like Flippa, Etsy, Zazzle, where these kind of Flippa is where you sell your own domains. Okay, you buy some certain domains, and after a certain day you sell the same domains, like flipping up. Etsy and Zazzle are something similar with an store where one can go and sell their handmade items over there, list their handmade items and sell their handmade items at Etsy and Zazzle, where they keep a certain small portion of that whatever you sell for whatever amount. They keep a processing fees for that particular amount, and remaining you get paid from these kind of companies. So with the help of using existing websites also, one can make a lot of money. Okay, it's definitely it requires little work, but you need to work for that. And the third one is you need to sell your own stuff. What does it mean? It means that you are opening your own e-commerce store or digital store, or for example Shopify e-commerce. Shopify, which is owned by Facebook, where you do open your own store on your Facebook or a website for your Shopify stores. Either it might be you're selling maybe the mugs or t-shirts or some games, or you even sell a certain amount of physical products like cosmetics, something like that. And the second way is fulfilled by Amazon, where you can go with Amazon.com and list your product, and with fulfilled by Amazon, where you do something we call as drop shipping. Okay, where you don't lift even your you don't store those products at your warehouse. It has been stored at Amazon.com, where you put a certain amount from this particular manufacturers. You buy those products and give it to Amazon, so that Amazon can sell those products to their customers. Once it is sold, you make money at the back end. And the third way is high ticket consulting, like what I am doing it. It's something similar. High ticket consulting is where we provide our services like training, one-on-one training or Skype training, or providing coaching programs where we teach on how to make money online, or it might be on any niche. We teach either Facebook ads, or you might be learning YouTube ads. As I said, it might be Facebook ads or YouTube ads or Google ads or SEOs, or any services you want to provide. If you want to provide how you can list your product on JVZoos, or how you can list your product on Fiverr. It might be on anything, either how to create a website, how to do blogging, how to get into Herbalife products, or any related to anything where you can provide your high ticket consulting, where you charge for your time and money. And the coaching, again, it might be a 1 hour coaching, a 2 hour coaching, a 10 hours coaching, or anything related towards that. So even you can sell your own stuff. Okay. And the next one is sell as an affiliate. This is what I actually started my career, where you can start your being an affiliated even from Amazon.com or ClickBank, JVZoo, place where you can sell digital products by having a proper sales funnels towards it. Okay, below my video you would find the sales funnel which I'm using it, and even the Autoresponder which I'm using it for my the products which I'm affiliating for all the companies called ClickBank, JVZoo, plus. Okay, Commission Junction is also the oldest company which provides you make money when you make certain amount of action towards the certain companies. Either you provide a sale, either a lead, or something like that. Share a sale is something similar, where you get paid when someone buys certain products. And Rakuten Marketing is also where you can join to these companies and Definitely affiliate the other products where where someone buys, you make a commission towards those companies. Even for example, GoDaddy, you can affiliate even GoDaddy. Below the video you will find even the link where you can buy the domain and hosting from GoDaddy and HostGator, which are one of my which I actually like the services of theirs, because they provide very good services as well. So I affiliate those products, and when someone buys those products, I make a certain amount, a small portion of commission from that particular products. So that is what we call as an affiliate marketer. And the most important aspect is you need to start a blog. It might be on any niche, either it is on a beauty niche, either it is on a health niche, either it is on a fitness niche, either it is on an online training list, either it is on an e-commerce niche. It might be on any niche where you can start with your blog, which you can start by providing how you can attract leads by providing mini email courses like a lead magnet for your blog, so that when someone comes in and check your blogs, they can put you can see there is a pop-up coming in where you can collect their name, email, phone number, so that you can provide them the future trainings, and you can sell them some other products through email marketing. And again, you can even provide full-blown trainings as well through videos, ebooks, etc. Okay, from your blog. Even with your blog, you can create a very good blog. Depending upon that, you can make money from Google AdSense as well. Okay, now the next step 6 is email marketing. Definitely, if you follow all the steps, or if you follow 1 or 2 steps also, you can make money from home. Okay, so email marketing is one of the best way of making money. Of course, the conversion is somewhere between 10% to 15%, but definitely you need to build a list. Okay, you need to create a list either through free or paid ads. Free, it might be from creating a YouTube videos as what I'm doing it, or paid ads from YouTube through putting an ads for your same videos either at Facebook or at Google's. Okay, so that many people watch those videos at a very short span, and you get a lot of likes, and below the video there may be a lot of information on what you are selling it, so that people can buy some products from your videos as well. It can be even Facebook ads or any ads related to any products. Okay, and email marketing, when you're doing it, you can provide a free training, you can provide a paid training, both through readable, by providing a PDF readable, or by providing a video trainings and ebooks and etc. as a lead magnets. Okay, and the most important aspects over here while making money online is providing live trainings through webinars. The software which we use are like GoToWebinars, Zooms, which is a free software. Even YouTube Live, we do it with Google Hangout. Facebook Live with OBC softwares, which we do something similar in order to cut the cost for GoToWebinar. But with GoToWebinar, even though you make a little sort of money, you pay a little sort of money, but you can see there is a lot of automation with this GoToWebinar when compared to all these other factors. Definitely, I have used all those features. Even I would definitely like YouTube Live with YouTube Live, because you can, below my video you can see there is a link on YouTube, new videos, new features which we have done. You can watch it so that you can get a lot of information from it. So these are certain steps where you can make a lot of money from home with different kinds of aspects which I have shared in a video. So if you like my video, if you like my training, then please subscribe to my channel, which is called sumanjain.com/YouTube, or below this video you can see a bell icon which you can subscribe it. So whenever I do videos, something like this, you would get an notification towards that. You just need to click on the bell icon so that you can get a notification, and you can watch my videos again and again and learn a lot of things on how to make money online. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.